Here's how to deposit Bitcoin, USDT, or other cryptocurrencies into your CoinCola wallet. Open your CoinCola app. Tap on Wallet. At the top panel, switch to P2P account. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit: Bitcoin, USDT, or any other supported coin. Before proceeding, take a moment to carefully read the deposit instructions. Pay attention to the network type, minimum deposit amount, and network fees. These details are very important and help prevent permanent asset loss. Once you've read the instructions, click on "I understand" to continue. For Bitcoin deposits, remember that CoinCola only supports the Bitcoin network, so make sure you're not using any other network when sending BTC. You'll see your unique deposit address and a QR code. You can copy the address or scan the QR code to begin your transaction. This deposit address can be shared with anyone sending you BTC or used to withdraw Bitcoin from another exchange. For example, to transfer BTC from your Binance wallet to CoinCola, simply paste your CoinCola deposit address, enter the amount, select the correct network, Bitcoin, and complete the process. Wait a few moments for the transaction to be confirmed. And that's it. You've successfully deposited crypto into your CoinCola wallet. Visit CoinCola.com or download the CoinCola app on the App Store or Google Play Store to explore all our cool products and features.